So this is a video somebody wanted to see on how to wire the old Sears keypad, model 6527. So that's what I'm going to show you today. I'll try and make this as quick as I can. So basically, this is your keypad, this is your wiring box. As you can see, the keypad has 13 wires. This actually isn't quite as complicated as it looks though. So basically, 4-digit code obviously, and as you can see, all the wires are labeled for what button they go to. So you can see this yellow one, which is GH4, is for this button here. So basically, you're going to decide your code. Now for these wires here, you can see we've got first, second, third, and fourth. This is where you're going to plug in the wires to the digits that you actually want to use. And then there is one common wire, which is, I believe, the red one. Yeah, it says common. So the red wire is common. All the other ones, there's one button for, there's one button for every wire, or one wire for every button, I guess. So basically, when you pick your code, it's pretty straightforward. Whichever button you want to be the first digit of the code, you're going to plug its wire into first, and then just do the same thing for second, third, and fourth. And then you just plug all the extra wires into these, and then plug common to the very bottom. Now if you want to repeat a number, let's say that you want to do, I don't know, well, actually I'll just go real quick. So if you want to repeat a number, you can see you've got these little jumpers here that say repeat. Now, if they're on the left side, they're not going to be repeated. But say that you want to repeat the first and the third number. So you move, come on, you just pop that yellow jumper out, move it to the other side, and then the same thing with the third wire. So now the third number is going to be the same as the first number. Now here, since the third is the same as the first and you only have one wire, you're just going to leave this third hole empty, and they actually give you an extra hole on the side here if you're repeating a number. Now here's the catch, is you can't actually repeat more than one digit. So you can't do like 2323. You can't have more than one duplicate number basically in your code. So it's really not all that difficult to do. I'm not going to take the time to wire all this up right now because it's a huge pain in the butt. But it's honestly, it's really straightforward. The only thing that you need to know really is that you can't have more than one duplicate. And then up here, these are the wires that go to the opener. In most cases, you're just going to need 1 and 2, but the third one is for if you have an old Genie opener that you need to push the button twice to close the door. You would wire up the third wire as well. Other than that, in most cases, you're just going to need terminals 1 and 2. This takes 24 volts. When was this made? 1982. So yeah, 24 volts, which is back in 82, that's what most openers put out. So anyway, that's just how you wire up the Sears keypad. Not, like I said, pretty straightforward, just kind of a pain in the butt with all these wires. So there you go.